Have you checked if your SIM card is still active? Because MTN has been on a blocking spree and you might have been caught up in it. Anyways, welcome to Tech Gist, where you get the latest updates from Africa's tech scene. I'm your host, Tom George. Let's go! MTN disconnects SIMs due to NIN registration issues. Advancedly and Bolt Nigeria partner to offer drivers credits. NCC directs Telcos to restore lines blocked over NIN-SIM issues. Starting with MTN Nigeria, the telecom company recently disconnected a lot of SIM cards because of incomplete or mismatched national identification number or NIN registrations. Basically, if you haven't linked your NIN correctly, your SIM card probably got blocked. This means no calls, no text, no data, nothing. MTN has shown that they are not playing around as they want everyone to get their NIN linked correctly. So, double check your NIN registration to avoid any hassle. Next, we've got good news for Bolt drivers in Nigeria. Advancedly has partnered with Bolt Nigeria to offer drivers access to credit. This means eligible drivers on the Bolt app will enjoy easy access to Advancedly credit solutions, providing a smooth experience and availability of low-interest short-term loans they can use for car maintenance, repairs, and other needs. Their partnership aims to help drivers keep their cars in top shape while being financially secure. This is a win for Bolt drivers in Nigeria. Lastly, the Nigerian Communications Commission (NCC) is stepping in to help the owners of lines blocked by MTN, Airtel, Globalcom, 9Mobile, and other telecom operators over the weekend. Many affected claim their lines had been linked with NIN long before now, and the NCC has now ordered telecom companies to reactivate all lines that were barred. The Commission stated that it is extending the deadline for affected subscribers to correctly link their SIMs, and reactivated users should be aware that this extension is temporary. It is to give them time to properly connect their NIN to their SIMs. Now that's all the tech tea we've got for you today on Tech Gist. If you like this episode, give it a thumbs up, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss an update. Let me know your thoughts in the comments and follow us across all social media platforms. Also, check out our website at www.techpression.com for the full stories. I'm George. Stay innovative and I'll see you when I see you. Bye-bye.